Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Judy and you are watching Running So and So. And first of all, thank you to everyone for coming back and watching my channel. I really appreciate it. And to those of you that have newly subscribed, it's lovely to have you here. If you haven't subscribed yet, do consider it. There's a little reminder somewhere and a button below, just give it a press. We are here again with Friday Sews, and this video will be out on Saturday, even though it's a Friday Sews. Why? Basically, my problem solved P from last week isn't a problem solved, it's a problem persisting. The left hand didn't know what the right was doing in the fibre company. We weren't told something and we've been delayed. So I came home from work today to my Think Pink box, and I'm going to come to the unboxing at the end. I'm going to put a spoiler in, so if you don't want to know what's in it, don't watch it. But before then, I want to talk to you about my sewing week, and I've had a pretty active sewing week because obviously I'm busy making as much as I possibly can for my holidays because there is a slight lack of clothing in my wardrobe. I'm not wearing anything me made today. I'm wearing my Tesco's purchase Portland, Oregon sweatshirt that I got reduced, which was amazing because it's been sports week at school this week. But this week I've only had one sewing purchase come apart from my Think Pink box, and that is some more sewing machine needles. Now I'm holding these up to show you. These are by Organ and they are titanium universal sewing needles. Now I use these all the time. They give you 10 hours more sewing than the standard sewing needle, and they are very sharp and very strong. I buy these from David Drummond's. You can just give him a call. I'll put a link in the description box below. David hasn't asked me to do this. I do this because I've known David for 25 years and the service is second to none. Would you still be using a business after 25 years if you didn't have good service? Probably not. So I bought 3 packets because there's a point with David where if you go over a certain value, you don't pay postage and package. So I needed new needles and I thought this is an excellent purchase, so I have made that purchase. Sewing wise, I've been quite productive in what I've made and what content I've produced for YouTube, because alongside this I have done a little sort of sew along for the free range slacks, and I'm going to show you the ones that I made, and I've got them here and they're finished. And I'm not going to show you a picture of me wearing them because I want to keep that for the Sew 7 Together reveal. So here they are in the ochre linen that I showed in my plans, that's what I wanted to do. So I have made them and I am so delighted with them. They are absolutely perfect. They fit me like a glove and I feel fantastic when I wear them. They actually skim my figure and I feel really very elegant. And as Coco Chanel says, if you feel good in it, you'll look good in it. And I think I can say that about these. But the other thing I wanted to make to go with them was a Regalia Blouse for So Fruity. Now it is very nearly finished. It is now Friday evening and I have 2 little things to do. I have to turn up the hem at the bottom and I have to fold over the sleeve cuffs and sew them down. Now tomorrow I'm meeting my Sew 7 Together co-hosts at a National Trust property next to the M1, and I'm really very excited because I think we're going to have a bit of an exciting day and we're going to take photographs of ourselves wearing what we've made. But I'm not taking these because I doubt I will finish this in time, because in the living room, as you will see shortly, Hannah is here with baby George and we've already been out for a walk and we're about to have some dinner together. So these two will look immense together. Can you get the effect of the two together? They really make each other ping, so I'm really delighted. This Lady McElroy I'm delighted with. It's a lawn, it's very, very fine, quite sheer, but this Regalia Blouse does look lovely, look. It's very fruity, isn't it? So I think it meets the brief. So I will have that done, and I'm going to put these two together on for my So Fruity photographs to go on Instagram. They have to go up on Sunday with the hashtag So Fruity. I'll put it down here. And Yvette is asking if we would kindly give a donation to children in Palestine. I'll try and put the link in the description box below, but failing that, I'll put a link to Yvette's Instagram handle, and if you just message Yvette, she'll send you the Instagram link. I will try and do it. I'm not going to guarantee that it will work, but I will do my best. Anything else sewing wise? Oh, let's talk about next week's sewing plans. So, as I mentioned to you, she says sliding back, I have got my Mississippi Avenue dress by Sew House 7 well on the way, and I want to get on with that. And then the next one that's coming off the pile will be the Montevilla dress, again by Sew House 7. Have you got the theme? We're having a bit of a Sew House 7 summer. So this is the Montevilla dress, and as I've mentioned before, all the places are named, the patterns are named after places in and around Portland, and Montevilla, I think might be an area, but there is a Montevilla Sewing Centre, and that's where Lorianne takes me for Quilts of Valour. And to make that, I am using my Think Pink Sewscription box, the Nerida Hanson one. So I'm hoping to get onto that this coming week. But alongside that, I'm a bit of a sucker for helping out people in the village. And there are two lovely ladies in the village who are both a little older than me and both need clothes altering, because I think as you get older you can shrink a little bit, and both of them have got trousers which they want shortening, and I have said that I will willingly do that for both of them. Now then, I'm going to put in the spoiler alert. If you don't want to know what's in my Think Pink box, please do not watch any further. If you enjoyed my video, give me a like, a thumbs up, give me a little comment and subscribe. And here's a little thing coming down to remind you. And if that's the case, I'll see you all again very soon. I'm hoping to get up my sew along for the free range slacks up maybe Sunday or Monday. Now, my Think Pink box. Hannah was here and we filmed it in the living room, and let's just say I was a bit giddy. Let's have a look at it. But I have got my pink door box. Da-da! It has come today. Because I have got Hannah here. You can hear her jingling things with baby in the background. So shall we see what is in the box? Oh, it smells. What do you think, Hannah? Can you smell it?
No.
Just nip my box. Oh. Now, I'm doing the label. It's the Live, Laugh, Love. Sort of, weighty? Yeah. Rattly. We're ready. Here goes. Turning down, turning down, turning down. This is going to be the quickest vlog ever. And, ooh, it says, if you need me, I'll be under a sun hat. Certainly will be. I certainly will be under a sun hat. All on the back it says, scan the code with your phone or iPad to access the ebook. This month's box contains 2.5 meters of fabric. Full details in the ebook, and there are 3 colorways. So what colorway do we have this month? Let's have a look. And I'm not even going to go on the ebook because I am really going to struggle with space on the film and everything. Oh, it's, oh, we have got, so, oh, it's, this one's out at Christmas. This is, I'm framing.
Can you see, can we actually see the box?
Oh,
there they are.
There we go. So the first thing in the box here is, we have some popping candy. Made in Weymouth. Ooh. Oh, look at this. And we have, it's gone on the floor, don't worry about it. Oh, we've got another beautiful fabric. I can see it here. We have a lovely selection of pink door buttons. Are you going, Hannah is checking the chocolate to see if she can eat it. You see that?
Gluten-free.
Gluten-free and alcohol-free. Hannah and I, go on then Hannah, open it up, we'll do a taste test. It's always the most important thing with a daughter around. Oh, look at these. Look at, ooh, look at these buttons. Oh wow, mixed buttons. Oh, I shall have fun sorting those. Let me just tip them all out. Look at all these buttons.
Oh, Mum,
What are you doing?
look at that.
Oh! We have got the opening of the chocolate. Pop it back in frame, Hannah. Ooh. Look
Sorry,
at that.
you can tell her how
We're
to
doing a
practice.
live unboxing here. Rainbow chocolate. I think she's going to test it. Yeah. Oh my goodness me, look at these buttons. Oh, I love that one.
Oh, wow.
That's a fabric button. And we've got, wait, nope. We've got another of those. Some of them we've got twos. Some of them we've got ones. We've certainly got more than one of the, look at these. It's like having my own personal buttons for buttons here. Oh, there we go. Look at that. I love that. Oh, look at this one. We've got those in buttons for buttons. Oh, I love them. I've certainly got a lot of these. I've got several of those. Purple thread, shall we see? And oh, look at this. Is a looking. Oh my word, Andrea. Oh, do you know, I was watching a video about Hawaiian shirts. I was watching a video about Hawaiian shirts. Oh my goodness me, I absolutely love it. Watching a video about, I don't know what to make with it. Oh, it's fabrics for our creativity. Absolutely love their fabrics. You know when you get fabrics for your creativity, you know when you get one of theirs, that you know full well. There's a button there.
Buttons everywhere.
Buttons everywhere. Buttons, buttons, buttons. I'm going to make a sundress. Now, my temptation is that I need another Sauvie sundress. This is going to be the shortest unboxing in history, Hannah. Are you eating it? She's eaten what?
I'm breastfeeding. It's allowed.
Well, you're not in the picture, so you can't be you can't be eating it. You're not in the picture. You're not in the picture. I'm going to call this Friday Sews Unboxing the Crazy One. Maybe I should taste test it as well.
It's nice.
Is it nice? Do you recommend it, Hannah?
So sometimes you find popping candy chocolate, but it's too
sweet,
too poppy. Like there's too much of the popping.
Better finish the blue then, haven't I?
It's just the right level of popping.
I'll have A square Slimming World.
Breastfeeding.
Oh, it's good.
Told you. You're good at popping. We'll have to edit some of this out.
No editing. Not editing. Oh my gosh, you can hear it popping in your mouth afterwards.
Yeah.
Andrea, I like it. But this, so what I was going to say before I was rudely interrupted by my daughter eating my popping candy was, I'm just going to knock this to the side, was that I was watching a vlog last night about Hawaii, because in case I haven't told everybody, I'm going to Hawaii in the summer. And they have these Hawaiian shirts, and this lady goes, and if you need a Hawaiian shirt, you can go into this shop on the ship to buy one, or you can go into that shop and buy this. And I'm thinking, I've not got anything with leaves on that's at all tropical. And then the following day, this stunning. What do you think, Hannah?
You could make yourself a Hawaiian shirt.
I could make myself a Hawaiian shirt. I could make myself a Callie shirt dress. What do we think? A Callie shirt dress, folks? The Callie shirt dress? Shall we have a Callie shirt dress? Or, do you know, maybe yet another Fleur. Maybe I make the Fleur in this. I don't know. But I definitely think it's let's travel to Hawaii. I can definitely see a Sauvie sundress in this. And I really, really like the Sauvie sundress. It's definitely... I could make a saltwater slip in it.
I was waiting for you to say a saltwater slip dress. I'm not going to lie.
I haven't made one for ages, actually. That would look really, really good in it. I am totally not in the right position for filming. I am not looking at the camera.
This is real, though.
Yeah, this is real, folks. This is reality. Would you like to see what my living room looks like? It gets even worse.
There's a map full of baby toys. There's a George.
There he is.
With his scarves.
One times grandson.
And his million and one clattery toys, because that's what
He
we roll
matches
with.
the fabric, look.
He is just,
Does he match the fabric? Can you put the fabric over? I'll have to edit that out. He matches the fabric. George,
No.
can we make you a Hawaiian shirt to match Grandma?
Yes.
Right, let's come back up here. So there we go. We have this absolutely amazing, absolutely stunning tropical fabric full of leaves of different shapes. And I'm convinced I'm looking at it backwards. You know, are they leaves or are they flowers? I'm not quite certain up here in the middle. Whatever they are, they're all absolutely stunning. Now, definitely a saltwater slip dress. We are looking sundress. We are looking big oversized shirts. Perhaps an oversized shirt for a man. But I'm definitely thinking it is definitely summer sundress. It's definitely for a hot sunny day. And sometimes you think you need like a really bright pinky type of fabric. But this is a slightly, I don't like to use the word duller.
Tone down.
Yes, did you hear that? Toned down. It's toned down, but because it's toned down, it will pop in the sunshine and it will look splendiferous. How's that for a descriptive word? Here we are back in the kitchen. Is this not just the most beautiful fabric? I absolutely adore it. I've been in touch with Andrea and I absolutely love it to bits. And I've, all the colourways, I've checked all the colourways out now. I've had a little look at the book and they are all absolutely fantastic. So I really do think that I might make a Sauvie dress because I'm desperately hoping that when I get to Hawaii that the weather is as good as it should be and all I want to wear is sundresses. So on that note, I'm going to say thank you so much for watching. It's been lovely to have you here and I'll see you all again very soon. Bye!